PC board.
What do you get there?
Well, I just got a new PC. I'm gonna rebuild and sell my new business.
Oh, God.
Lentech.com. If you want to message me, my number is 07448 for all your custom builds, PC repairs, Xbox repairs, and anything you need really. So just shout me for any tech related business. I'm your man. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's cool. So you're selling it for how much?
650. Put it for 650.
650.
And then I'll see. If let's say it doesn't think. Let's say the people are asking for low. My leeway will be 600. So if people don't take it for 600, then I'll just rebuild it. Because then I know the demand's not high for it. So I'll get. But people usually like white cases.
Okay.
I'll change the colors because I need to show them that it changes colors. That's what a lot of people like. They like the color changing and stuff. So if I show them that it changes colors, change it to more like